Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. I'm Lauren Boucher and today I'll be making smashed cucumbers. So you want an English cucumber, which I do not have because they have softer skin and less seeds. So I am going to just use what I have and I'm gonna take the skin off because this is an American cucumber. You're also gonna need some salt, sesame seeds, rice wine, vinegar, soy sauce, olive oil, red chili flakes, chili oil, garlic, gochujang, sugar, ginger powder, or actual ginger. First, I'm going to shred the cucumber. I have my peeled cucumber and now I'm gonna cut off the edges. I'm gonna cut it in half, face down, and then you're gonna smash it. So, oop. I don't know if I can. Oh man, what should I use? I guess you can use like a frying pan. Oh man, there we go, that kind of worked. Not really. Okay, I'm gonna need to stand up for this. Okay, I'm gonna try a different utensil. I love this little tool. Let's see if I can smash it. Oh, there we go. So it's sending juices out everywhere, but it's almost like cutting in half. All right, so that's a little smashed. You can see there's a line down the middle, and then I'm just gonna cut them like this into little bite-sized pieces. You can smash them a little bit more. This gets some of the water out, which is what you want. So yeah, so if you need to cut them first because you only have an American cucumber, you can smash them once they're diced. And not diced, I mean sliced, I guess. And this helps them absorb the sauce a little bit better. And it also helps get the water out. So next thing you want to do is put about a tablespoon of salt into the cucumbers. This is gonna pickle them a little bit, and now you want them to sit for 30 minutes. Mix that up, and that will help get a lot of the water, the remaining water out. So after they sit for 30 minutes, then I'm gonna drain the water. Next, the garlic. You can use 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, but I think I am gonna cook it because you know I don't like raw garlic. So I think I am gonna put it on the stove for a hot second. We'll do 2 cloves. And I have this amazing little garlic dicer. It's basically like a garlic press, but a little different shape. You just go just like that. You got a bunch of diced garlic. Get it out with your knife. Sometimes I do have to use a toothpick to clean it, but it's worth it for how easy it is to dice garlic, I'm telling you. All right, next one. Wow, smells so good. So there's 2 options. You can either cook this or you can let it sit in rice vinegar for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not really sure. I'm not sold that that works. So maybe I cook it for a second and then put it in rice vinegar. So the garlic is minced. Now let's make the rest of the recipe. We're gonna start with half a tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3/4 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chili oil. So I think I'm gonna do this chili oil and then I'm gonna put a little of this gochujang. It's red pepper paste, this much. So I'm gonna do about half a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. And then I just need sesame oil. Go to your local olive oil and vinegar shops. They have the best stuff. So I'm gonna put a half tablespoon. That's gonna add a nuttiness. And then we got the sesame seeds for garnishing. I don't think we need any other red chili flakes. Okay, let me just try a little bite. I know it's gonna spice me. Oh my God. Perfect amount of spice, perfect amount of like oil, bite, nutty sesame-ness. When I add the garlic, it's gonna be amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna cook the garlic in like a tablespoon of grapeseed oil because it calls for a neutral oil. And then I'll add this all into the sauce. And I'll come back when we're ready to put it all together and try it. So the cucumber has sat for like 20 minutes and I drained all the water out. I also cooked the garlic in the olive oil and put it in the sauce. So it's currently in there. And I forgot that I have chives and I want to mix the chives in. So first I'm gonna cut off some chives. So these are already. And guys, if you buy chives from the grocery store and you want more, you just put them in some water and they grow like crazy. Look at this. Look at these chives. I'm gonna cut off all the big ones because they're getting too long and they need to be eaten. That's good. And you know, it's really easiest to use scissors. Just use the scissors. Cut off the brown parts and then cut your chives to little pieces. So this is kind of a lot. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8 chives, but it's my choice. You can use however many you want. Alrighty, now I'm gonna put the sauce in. Make sure everything is coated. Looks like I made the perfect amount of sauce. Now I'm gonna throw some sesame seeds on top, and by some I mean many. Looks so freaking good. So good. All right, let me try it. Holy shit, guys. This is incredible. A little spicy. This would be a great side dish. It just, oh my God. Let me try it with this chive or scallion or whatever it is. It's sweet, it's spicy. This is so freaking good, guys. Wow. Basically, you just have to wait that 30 minutes so that you don't have a bunch of like watery, watery liquid on the bottom. But once you do that, it's salty, it's sweet, it's spicy. I've said it like 5 times now. Go make this. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.